Hey pretty girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I've teamed up with Unice Hair for a beautiful flawless hair tutorial. This one's going to be beginner friendly and the icing on the cake is this one is available on Amazon Prime. Yes, I literally just clicked my own link and this one would ship to me and I would receive it by tomorrow. How fire is that? So today we're going with a body wave 7x5 by knots honey blonde lace wig. I'm going to be giving you a straight out of the box beginner friendly start to finish install. We're going to be doing this and slaying it literally in 10 minutes or less. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay, girl, jumping right into it. This is the packaging. You guys know I'm obsessed with the magenta packaging from Unice. They even have a robe and a melt belt that matches this. So this is our star of the show today. We are going with the Honey Blonde Highlight Body Wave 7x5 by knot wig. This one is very simple, easy to install, and I'm going to be showing you literally how to do it on your own from home. Here is a look at the wig itself. This is the inside construction of the cap. You can see here they give you adjustable elastic band inside the packaging that you can add in to make it a little bit more of a snug fit. And this is what the wig looks like on. So you can already see that this one for sure fits glueless and you don't have to cut off the lace at all. Here is a look at what the wig looks like from the back. Look at the sheen and the dimension, the wave pattern. Everything about this one is absolutely gorgeous, literally without doing any work. Even the golden highlights are super bomb, and I know it can be sometimes intimidating, but look at how like the low lights, is it called low lights, or the darker pieces literally blend so well with my complexion. Jumping right into the install process, I'm going to start off by pushing my own sideburns back. It's key that you go ahead and take care of your own hair first. So being sure that your hair is like braided and moisturized and protected underneath your wigs is a great way to help and make sure that your hair is safe and growing and thriving underneath your wig. Here I'm showing you guys, I'm going to go ahead and melt the lace. I'm going with the oldie but goodie today, and this is the Got to Be Glued gel. This one here is the color black. If you remember my videos from years and years ago, basically when we started, this is an OG staple on my channel. This was a staple product to bond and melt my lace down for a glueless install. So I'm going back to it because I like the way this product works. Also, one thing about this one is when you apply it, it also has a tacky texture. So you're able to go ahead and take care of like your edges and your baby hair while also installing your wig all in one. And again, it's a glueless fit, so it'll be able to come off simple and easy at the end of the day with just a little bit of water. Today I did decide to go for like edges opposed to baby hair. This is something that I like to do when I want a fun look up front, but I don't want to commit to like cutting short baby hair. It's simple, easy, and as you guys can see, I was able to do my hairline, bond it down, style the edges, secure the lace, all of the above without using any kind of glue or edge control. Literally, it was a one product install and style. I did go ahead and add the Unice melt belt on top, so it'll go ahead and like dry and set while we work on the rest of the hair. Lately, I've been trying to do something different and just switch it up. So today, instead of using the dynamic duo with the wax and the electric hot comb, I did try out using a hairspray. So this one is the Bedeck and it's like a lighter hold hairspray. I did apply it generously on top of my lace, and I'm going in and working it in with the electric hot comb on a high heat setting and just being sure that everything gets as flat and smooth as I like it. Now, being a creature of habit, I still prefer to use the wax, but those of you who do not like using wax for reasons of your own, like maybe it's a little bit too heavy for you, you don't like it because it weighs your hair down, this is a different option where it's a little bit more dry so you won't get the oily effect. I do like the way it came out, but again, I'm just a creature of habit, so I do like using the wax stick more. Nonetheless, it's fire and flawless regardless. Next, I took a little bit of my Bio Silk serum and I applied it generously to the ends of the hair. This is going to go ahead and cancel out any frizz, give a nice smooth effect, and it also for me helps to define the curls as we continue to curl the hair all the way around. As I mentioned, this is a body wave texture, so you can definitely do whatever you like when it comes to the ends. If you're more into like the wet and wavy natural styles, go in with your mousse, a Denman brush or like an unbrush, and you can also like diffuse your curls to get a really dramatic effect, or you can go for a hot two style, which is what I'm doing today. I'm using a curling iron. I believe this one is from EAP Heat. They sent this to me a few years ago and it still is one of the best curling irons I have. It definitely holds a curl amazing. Also, another option would be to use like a wand curler. I find that for beginners, when you use a wand curler, your curls will hold a little bit better and it's almost like beginner proof, where no matter how much of a beginner or little bit of experience you have, you'll be able to achieve a nice curl pattern and not feel like you wasted your time. So I'm just going around and curling the hair. You can definitely use a heat protectant, you can use serum, you can use hairspray. The options are yours when it comes to making sure that your curls stay. I'm going to use that same hairspray that I used along the hairline. And then you also know we did use that BioSilk serum. So this is what it looks like as a before and after. One side is curled and one side is in the natural state. I'm going to proceed to do the opposite side off camera. And lately I have been loving the Unbrush, which I'll have linked down below. This has been a great brush for detangling the hair and also to style your hair. Now this is what it looks like when both sides are curled with that curling iron. And lately I've also been learning to go ahead and allow the curls to dry and set. Here is what the hairline looks like, and I'm absolutely amazed. You guys know I typically would do the dynamic duo along the hairline. I did not use any heat at all along the hairline, and look at how flat and smooth it looks. The lace is literally melted to perfection, and I got a little bit of like edges look in there, so I have a little bit of style. If you want something a little bit more like professional or conservative, you don't have to do like the little swoops that I did, but again, I just like a little bit of funness, a little bit of party in the front, if you will. I'm gonna go ahead and set that off with a little bit of, I'm gonna make my lace pop with a little bit of powder and foundation duo. I used the Ruby Kisses cream foundation along the parting, and then I used the mineral powder along the hairline. These work really, really well to make the lace blend with my skin. Here I was trying to go in for a custom color. When it comes to going lighter with your lace, be cautious that typically what you would use in general to like tint your lace may come up a little bit different whenever you're going with a lighter color in hair. For example, a lot of the times my main looks will come out a little bit more red or orange, so you have to kind of go in and like customize it to make sure it works. Now I'm gonna go in and brush the curls out. Again, don't be so like anxious to brush your curls out. Leave them in that like curled state for as long as possible, and this will help the curls to really set and remain defined even after you brush and comb them out. Here I'm gonna go in and just trim the front down for a little bit of bang action. I feel like this gives me more of a finished professional look, and it also frames the face absolutely beautiful. It gives the curls dimension, and I don't know, it just really, really sets the curls apart. Now the real challenge has been learning to give myself layers throughout a wig without only doing the front. The front is like your safe space, so in the future I definitely will be trying to practice my layers all throughout. I did add a little bit of dry oil to the ends because you always want to make sure that your ends look nice and moisturized. Here I am just pulling out the curls and making sure they set beautifully. This one came out absolutely perfect. It's the perfect color. I feel like it bounces against my brown skin. Absolutely flawless. The dimension, the length, everything about this one is absolutely flawless. So I'm going to give you a bit of a look. You guys know for me, I'm a very, very simple and easy when it comes to my styles. I don't like to do too much, and honestly, I don't know how to do too much. So finding styles that look really good and switch up your looks without having to do too much definitely is a key to having fun and switching up your looks and making your everyday wig, you know, a showstopper and giving different looks, especially if you're going to like school or the workplace. Switching it up just this quick and easy with 2 bobby pins definitely was a game changer. This is a look that would be super, super cute for dinner dates, for lunch, for daytime. You can do it for like all times. And again, it literally took 2 minutes or less to achieve. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Are you a honey blonde girl or an ash blonde girl? Whatever the case may be, of course, I have this one linked down below. Here is a look at the packaging. Inside, they did include some goodies. As promised, they do have the adjustable elastic band inside, so you can attach this for a more fitted, glueless fit. Next up, they did provide this mesh bag, and inside we did get a bunch of goodies. So of course, I'm going to share with you what I got. We got a Unice pack of HD wig caps, which are perfect for a seamless look underneath your wigs. Here is a melt belt. You guys see me use this in the video, but I have so many of these that this one here I'm going to save for you guys. And then this here is a pack of your press-on nails in that pink coffin that is so beautiful and also very, very nice and classy. And then they did give us some merch, some stickers. I love these because you can add them to your sticker collection, which is super, super cool. cool. And I love the fact that they always give you like a nice free gift. But that is it, guys. We did an awesome job installing this one in 10 minutes or less. We got some curls going. We got a glueless install with a nice little baby hair look in the front. Very natural and gorgeous. Super perfect for the warmer months to come. And we even added a little bit of a style in there. And the icing on the cake is that Unice does provide this wig courtesy of Amazon Prime. So you'll be able to get this one literally tomorrow or maybe even a few days if you live a little bit further out. I'm going to have all the details, including a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!